Hello, my name is Mrs. Ronka, and we are going to explore the Arizona Desert. We live in Arizona. Arizona is mostly a desert climate and is located in the Sonoran Desert in the southwestern United States. In Arizona, it gets very hot in the summer. It could be over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a dry climate where there is very little water. This means it doesn't rain much. The plants that grow in a desert can live without water for long periods of time. It does rain, but very little. After it rains, temperatures do get cooler. It could be 100 degrees during the afternoon, the hottest time of the day, and only 60 degrees at night. A desert gets only 7 to 10 inches of rain every year. The amount of rain is what makes it a desert. Many things can live in a desert. Some of these things are plants. A cactus is a plant that is found in our desert. These plants can live for a long time without water. This is a saguaro cactus. Saguaros are only found in Arizona and the southwest portion of the United States. Saguaro cacti can live for up to 200 years, but they stop growing when they are about 100 years old, and they can grow arms after it is 50 years old. But there is no real way to know how old a saguaro is because it is not a tree. It does not have tree rings. They grow best in warm, sunny places and have stickers all around them for protection. The saguaro cactus is the largest cactus known in North America. Saguaro cacti can grow to be over 25 feet tall and even as tall as 50 feet. That is about 15 first-grade students standing on each other's shoulders to be as tall as a fully grown saguaro. They can weigh 10 to 15 tons. They weigh so much because they hold a lot of water. This huge cactus doesn't need a lot of water to survive, like you and I do, but they can absorb up to 200 gallons of water in one day. They absorb the rain, and it allows them to grow like an accordion. Can you drink that much? The saguaro is a flowering plant. That means that the saguaro blooms a flower. When it is warm enough, the flower appears white and yellow in the middle. The flowers only grow on top of the trunk and on the top of the arms, where the most sunshine will keep them the warmest. The flowers then turn into a fruit that is green and turns red when it is ripe. The birds love to eat it because it is sweet and juicy. The birds then eat the fruit and discard the seeds on the ground nearby. The seeds are very small, and if they're able to find a safe place under a neighboring bush, they can start to grow into a majestic saguaro too. The saguaro is also a place for birds to build their homes. Birds like to build nests inside the saguaro. They hold the side of the saguaro for balance, carefully avoiding the stickers that protect the cactus. They dig a hole in the side of the cactus to build their nest. Arizona's desert can be very hot sometimes, but it is a beautiful place to live for people, plants, and animals.